Let's talk about the Pure PT Supply stretch strap and using it as a leg lifter after knee surgery. A lot of times my patients won't be able to lift their leg in and out of the car, in and out of bed. So using it as a simple leg lifter, one of the best ways to reactivate that quadricep muscle. In this example, I'm lifting it all the way over the bench, all the way back. Then I'm going to use it to assist in the hamstring and calf stretch. Now you can see here we're using it to lift the leg up, once again to work on terminal knee extension. One of the more common exercises performed after a knee replacement is a heel slide. You can see I'm positioning the stretch strap around the foot. But one of the things that I found over the years is it can be hard to pull the foot back toward the hip. So one of the things I like to do is slide the hip toward the foot. I use the stretch strap to ankle the foot in place. If that's too close, you can slide it away. But I'll slide my hip toward my foot, toward my heel to increase knee flexion. This tends to work a lot better for patients who have stiff knees following ACL reconstruction or a total knee replacement. Finally, performing an assisted straight leg raise until the quad and hip flexor is strong enough to do it on its own. These stretch traps are just so versatile.